In this video, you'll learn how to add users to a Jira project in just a few minutes so you can collaborate with your team and keep everyone aligned on goals. First, open your browser and sign in to your Jira account. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to add new team members by clicking the project name in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Next, click on Project Settings at the bottom of the left sidebar, then select People from the menu. This is where you'll manage every user who has access to your specific Jira project right now. Now, click the Add People button at the top of the page. Type the names or email addresses of the team members you want to invite, and Jira will suggest matches from your organization or external collaborators. After that, assign each new member a role. Common options include administrator, developer, and viewer, each with different permissions. Choose the role that best matches each person's responsibilities to keep your project secure. Once you've added everyone, click Add to send the invitations. New users will receive an email with a link to access the project, and they'll be able to start collaborating with your team right away. And that's it. Your team members are now added to your Jira project, ready to deliver amazing work together.